animating text and object. So you already know what is PowerPoint, you already know how to make slides. Now you have to understand what is animations. Animations controls how objects move in your slides. Transitions control how your presentation moves from one slide to the next. This lesson teaches you how to create animations and transitions. What is animation? In the simplest sense, animation is something that makes slides objects move on a slide. Slide object can be anything on a slide. These include text, picture, charts, smart art, graphics, shapes, or even movie clips. PowerPoint provides 4 types of animation: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Let us understand one by one what is entrance, what is emphasis, what is exit, and motion path. An entrance animation determines the manner in which an object appears on a slide. For example, an object can move onto a slide. An emphasis animation does something to draw attention to an object. For example, the object can become larger. An exit animation determines the manner in which an object leaves a slide. For example, an object can move off a slide. Exit. A motion path animation determines how an object moves around a slide. For example, an object can move from left to right. To animate an object. So this is practically I am teaching you how to do it. You have to go in animation. First you have to select a picture. Go in a custom animation. Just use the add effect. So this is the button. I already explained you: entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path. Let us understand first entrance. So this play button you will use, or the slide show. So it will show you how you applied the effect. To modify an effect, PowerPoint lets you modify how you want the animation to start and the direction and speed of the animation. Change. Next, go to the emphasis. Start. Then direction, which direction you want to get, speed, slow, very slow. Then preview. Auto preview is clicked here, so you can check the preview how your object is moving. Next is animation preview. Again go to the animation. Now to add the transition. Slide transitions are like the effects used in films to change from scene to scene. While they should not be overused, sometimes they can add a little spice when changing from slide to slide. PowerPoint provides several transitions method. You can add sound to a transition and you can control its speed also. There is a transition speed. You can apply a transition to selected slides or to all of the slides in your presentation. A transition can occur when the presenter clicks the mouse or after the amount of time you specify. To apply a transition to all the slides, go again in the animation, transition the slides. Do as it is I am doing here. These all are the options available for transition. Apply to all. Transition in this slide.